New Zealand, famous for Middle-earth, Māori culture, and jaw-dropping nature. But have you ever asked, why is it called New Zealand? It's not an English name. It's not a Maori name. It actually comes from the Dutch. And it was based on a place it looks nothing like. Let's unpack how this island nation ended up with a name borrowed from Europe, and how it still carries two names today. Maori, name first. Long before any Europeans arrived, the indigenous people of the islands, the Māori, called their home Aotearoa, usually translated as Land of the Long White Cloud. According to Māori oral tradition, early explorers named it after the cloud patterns they saw while arriving by canoe. Aotearoa refers mainly to the North Island, but today it's widely used to describe the whole country. So where did New Zealand come from? Dutch discovery and naming. In 1642, Dutch explorer Abel Tasman became the first European to sight the islands. He originally named it Staten Landt, thinking it was connected to land near Argentina. When that turned out to be wrong, Dutch cartographers renamed it Nova Zeelandia, Latin for New Zealand. Why Zeeland? It's a coastal province in the Netherlands, known for flat farmland and sea inlets, very different from New Zealand's mountains and fjords. But the name stuck on the maps. British colonization and adoption. In the 1700s, British explorer James Cook mapped the islands in detail and brought the name New Zealand into English. By the 19th century, British colonization was in full swing. The name New Zealand became official, despite having no connection to local geography, people, or culture. It was, essentially, a European brand slapped on an indigenous land. What the name means today. Today, New Zealand is one of the few countries with two widely used names. New Zealand, its international and official name, Aotearoa, its Maori name, now gaining more recognition. In fact, there's an ongoing national conversation about making Aotearoa official or adopting dual names permanently. Because a name isn't just a label, it's a story. And in New Zealand's case, it's the story of discovery, colonization, and revival. So now you know, New Zealand is named after a flat Dutch province it doesn't resemble at all, while its original name, Aotearoa, speaks to sky, sea, and spirit. What country name should I explore next? Drop your pick in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves the land of the long white cloud.